Hello everyone. Today, we're making a classic, shrimp scampi with pasta. It's quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. First, let's get our ingredients ready. We'll need pasta, of course, shrimp, garlic, white wine, butter, olive oil, lemon juice, red pepper flakes, and fresh parsley. Let's start by cooking the pasta according to package directions. I'm using spaghetti today, but any long pasta will work beautifully. While the pasta cooks, let's prepare the shrimp. Make sure they're peeled and deveined. If they're frozen, thaw them completely first. Now, heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. The butter will add richness to our sauce. Once the butter has melted and the oil is shimmering, add the minced garlic. Sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Next, add the shrimp to the skillet. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they turn pink and opaque. Don't overcook them, or they'll become rubbery. Remove the shrimp from the skillet and set aside. Now, we'll build our sauce in the same pan, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom. Pour in the white wine and bring it to a simmer. Let it cook for a couple of minutes to reduce slightly and burn off some of the alcohol. Stir in the remaining butter, lemon juice, and red pepper flakes. Taste and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet with the sauce. Toss to coat the pasta evenly. If the sauce seems a little dry, you can add a splash of the pasta water. Finally, return the cooked shrimp to the skillet. Toss everything together gently. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley. And there you have it, a mouth-watering shrimp scampi with pasta, ready in under 30 minutes. Perfect for a weeknight meal or a special occasion. Serve immediately and enjoy this incredible dish. You can find the full recipe link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.